simulate manual feeding action, sawing off the excess riser, joint tendons, burrs and other materials for irregularly shaped metal casting products. Intelligent walking sawing path, flexible and efficient. It can realize R-stations sawing at the same time, and the efficiency is 4 times of the traditional sawing machine, simplifying personnel operation and ensuring product quality and consistency. Fully automatic, lightening work strength and high quality, high efficiency. R-station simultaneous production, safer than manual cutting, suitable for sawing most complex shapes of products, simple and fast teaching programming. Industrial sewing machines play an important role in a variety of manufacturing and processing industries, helping to reduce production costs and improve product quality by increasing production efficiency, providing high-precision cutting and being suitable for a wide range of materials. If you are looking for a metal sewing machine, this machine will be your best choice.